Elementor Dynamic TradingView Charts, complete walkthrough. This step-by-step guide shows all functions available in Elementor Dynamic TradingView Charts. If you still have questions, check out the FAQs or use the contact form on the shop page. The charts post type. Once you activated the plugin, you find a new post type in your WordPress admin menu called Charts. Just click Add New Chart to do so. In the options page that appears, you just need to search and select one of all available charts from TradingView. Select your chart symbols by typing the abbreviaton of your preferred pairing, like BTC USD, in the pull-down search field. Then select the exchange prefix, like Binance, from the pull-down-result-listing. That means you'll get the data for that pairing from the prefixed exchange in your chart. Finally, add the title of your liking to that chart post entry and publish it. The multi-chart setup. To create a page where multiple charts are loaded dynamically, you need to set up a template and a page with a listing widget. First, create the loop item template and place our HAYWOOD Dynamic Charts widget into it. And enable dynamic tags from its settings. From the Dynamic Tags pull-down, go to the category HAYWOOD Digital Tools, and there, select the Chart Symbols tag. In its settings, select the custom key called HAYWOOD Chart Symbols. Now create a new page, and there use any post widget with the option to use a template as the loop item skin. Like for example Elementor's default loop grid. In the template loader, select that loop item template by its name. Then set the query of that widget for the post type, Charts. This will dynamically load all charts you created into your grid, or whichever listing type you selected in your post widget. And if you want to sort your charts on the page manually, you can use the free plugin called Simple Custom Post Order. Enable charts in their options page and then reorder the posts in the charts options page. Finally, select Menu Order in the Order by settings and use ASC in the Order option. You have your manually sorted chart overview. Editor panel options. Now let's go back to the loop item template and have a look at the options of our plugin directly within the Elementor editor. Content tab. We already discussed the option of how to enable dynamic tags and load a symbol from the chart's custom post type. Below those settings, you'll find all the embed options that TradingView offers in their free and embeddable widget settings. Feel free to play around and optimize the look and functionality of your chart display. That's Elementor Dynamic TradingView Charts, multi-chart setup automation. Get it now on haywood.tools and make your life easier and your projects better.